यूथ ऑफ GSB मुखांतर मस्त पुरा कार्यक्रम चलता आसा. तशीच आता मिगेलोट आसाची मनोहर कामत हानी CXO जावन आशिल्लीची मिंत्रांतू. सो नायस टू हॅव यू. मस्त पुराची ह्यांची फॅशन इंडस्ट्रीन तशें पुरो ऑनलायन मार्केटिंग ऑर शॉपिंग सेलिंग म्हणून पुरा सांगतना मस्त पुराची एक्सपिरियन्स तुम्ही घेतिला सर. सो कसं सांगूश पावताची ह्या पुरा कार्यक्रम पळयल्यार.
GSB Milan एक प्रोग्राम म्हळ्यार for all the GSBians to come together. We are a small minority community, or we are a minority out of minority. So ammi vottu zallari, then you know what all we are capable of doing and what all we are achieving as a members of the community. At the diaspora experience pallari, so you saw some of the fantastic achievements of people and what has led them to this position. Nitin, it's a fantastic examples of how a startup enterprise, you had to have a patience of 16 years to be known and successful, right? What we know Nitin is from his last 5 years of success. So what he shared today is a great learning for all the entrepreneurs, saying that startup journey is not easy. You need patience, you need passion, and you need to go after it year after year with solid determination and grit, and then you can be successful. Same is the case with career. So you have to become an expert in any field, adopt technology, keep learning. Many a times you feel shy asking somebody else, right, when you don't know.
Right.
But that is one habit that we have to change. Whenever you don't know anything, please go and ask, seek information, learn, because only when you are an expert, you will grow. And if you want to really achieve something, then you have to do the best in whatever you do, right? So keep learning. As I keep saying, right, graduation or engineering or MBA, right, is the first step. The second step is about continuous learning. Every day, how do we learn and how do we keep ourselves fresh and ready to updated and ready to face the industry and the people around us. That knowledge gives us competence. Competence gives us credibility, and credibility gets us whatever you want.
I think the continuous learning must be important jatta koni take like janari. So swathaya moni ambe swami vai mantashlichi. And meanwhile, at mast jani youngsters balaita sachi pura jani they look aspirational. They want to achieve kasane puri sadhan korkam hoye. Tumge message for youngsters kasar.
Self-confidence, believe in yourself, and discipline is extremely important than luck, right? Follow something for whether it is your physical health, mental health, or expertise. Nothing comes easy. You need to be at it every single day, and God has made all of us equals, right? We are all blessed as a community, and Lord Venkatraman will bless us all. But we cannot stop working towards our goal, which means if you are looking at fitness, be at it every day, right? Spend at least 45 minutes to an hour on your fitness. Learning, at least spend an hour. May not be only reading, watching. It can be one-on-one sessions with your peers, your friends, right? Because a good amount of network building I have seen working magic for any one of us, right? Because during the network is where you get confidence, you know how to face social events, communication, influencing skills, problem solving, because some of your network guys would have already solved the problem and they'll be very helpful, and you can find mentors. So I think it's an ecosystem that you have to develop for yourself, and you can achieve it. I mean, everybody can achieve whatever we have achieved, and I wish all our GSB youth actually gets to the place where we are and beyond us.
ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲವಿದೆ ಮೋನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಿತ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಚೋಡು ತಕೊಂಡು ಆಯ್ಕೊನಾಯ್ಲೇಚಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಟ್ಟೂರು ಅಭಿಲ್ತದ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಪೂರ ಅಚೀವ್ ಕೊರತ್ತ तशीची आतां आमगे सुमार पुरा प्लॅटफॉर्म्स आसा आमगेर कम्युनिटीक कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट करचे आसा तुमी कसं प्लॅन्स आसा खंयचे विशय नॉलेज अशें कसं
Anybody can reach out to us, right? Amge like Sanal group us, we call it EDG. They were all from Karkal.
Okay.
Childhood friends. We meet together. We share a platform. I think we have abundance of talent within. Like one is the managing director with Accenture, Sudhir Kudwa. One actually designs chips called Shrikant, right? With Qualcomm. So every phone has a chip that he has designed.
Okay.
Sukhar Narayan, right, spent long years in Wipro and now an entrepreneur. We have a yoga Mahaguru called Vivek Joshi. He's also a builder. Then we have an entrepreneur called Arish Bhatt. So I think
People are sir.
I mean, that's why I said how you build your network is very important, and you can all reach out to us, and we are available. We are all available in Karkal most of the time for during the festivals which are there. Kartipurna, all of us are there.
Yeah.
You can reach out to us. Even if you reach out to any one of us, if you want any help, we are here to help you. That's not a problem. I think we want our community to prosper and do better. And we know the pain that we went through when we were starting our career. And if we are able to cut down some of that for the budding talent, our youth, definitely we are all.
Cool. So, तशीच आता मनोहर कामत मामा मेळका म्हणून जला अपॉइंटमेंट तुम्ही घेवचे ना म्हणून येन जलारी कारकळ तेरू कार्तिकपूर्णिमात पूरा मिस करना शेव कमान्यो भोजन महिना
Or Lalbagh, every Sunday we walk between 7 to 8.
कडेरी कॉफी होई आता
Sadha Pindi also.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.